Welcome to today's daily message. The gospel readings throughout this week speak to something that is difficult for us to hear and difficult for us to internalize in our spiritual lives. In the gospels in particular, there are a series of hard things, hard realities that Jesus will talk about. And so I want to offer some reflections on those hard things throughout this week. In today's gospel, Jesus is speaking to the people in the synagogue at Nazareth. This is right after he has opened the scroll in the synagogue to the book of the prophet Isaiah, and he has said, "The Spirit of the Lord is upon me, and he has sent me to bring good tidings to the poor," and etc., etc. Immediately after that, Jesus says, "No prophet is accepted in his own place." And he points to the example of the prophets Elijah and Elisha. Both of these prophets spoke hard truth to the people of their time, and yet they were not accepted. And then notice in the gospel, when the people hear this, when they hear these words from Jesus, the gospel says they were all filled with fury. They rose up, they drove him out of the town, led him to the brow of the hill on which their town had been built, intending to hurl him down headlong. They wanted to kill him. That's how much they resented the message that he had for them. What does this mean for us? I just want to pose a couple of questions for our reflection today. In our times, do we listen to those among us who tell us hard truths? Are we willing to listen to what they have to say, even though they challenge what we believe now? Do we hear the words of Jesus when he speaks hard truths to us about what it means to live as a Christian? Thank you for watching today. Much appreciated. Have a good day.